feel like your pop-up just isn't doing its job? You've followed the rules, added a discount, made the design cute, but your email list still isn't growing. Before you blame the tech or ditch your form altogether, let me tell you something. Your pop-up isn't the problem. It's your freebie. Hi friend, I'm Liesel and welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast, where we take the stress out of email marketing and show you how to make your Klaviyo account actually work for your business. So many of my students come to me thinking they need to redesign their pop-up or their website, but the truth is it's not the pop-up, it's not the website, it's what's inside it. If your freebie isn't aligned with what your audience actually needs to feel confident about buying from you, no pop-up is going to save you. Today, we're going to break down exactly why that's happening and how to fix it. Before we dive in, I've got something super exciting to share with you. Registration is officially open for my free live masterclass, Create a Lead Magnet That Sells in 3 simple steps. This class only happens twice a year, and I'm telling you, you do not want to miss it. Inside, I'll walk you through the exact framework I teach my students to help them stop guessing and finally grow their Klaviyo list with the right people who actually turn into those buyers. You'll walk away with a custom lead magnet strategy mapped to your best-selling product and a plan to grow your list and drive more sales on autopilot. So save your seat at shikamersimplified.com/masterclass. Okay, now let's get into it. Most store owners assume their pop-up isn't working because of the timing or the design or that pesky little X in the corner that lets people close it way too fast. But here's what I want you to hear today. You can have the most gorgeous, well-timed pop-up in the world, but if what you're offering doesn't click with your ideal customer, they're not going to join your list. It's not about the form. It's about the offer. Your pop-up is just the delivery system, but your lead magnet, that's the hook. And if the hook isn't irresistible, nothing else matters. Let's reframe something right now. A lead magnet is not about giving something away for free. It's about building a bridge between where your customer is right now and what they need to believe, know, or feel confident about to say yes to your product. If you sell skincare, maybe they need to believe it won't cause breakout. If you sell candles, maybe they need to feel like your scents won't give them a headache. If you sell clothing, maybe they need a guide to understand how your sizing works before they hit add to cart. A good lead magnet educates. A great one builds trust. But a high converting lead magnet removes hesitations and points people straight to your best-selling product. And that's what we're going to create together inside the masterclass. So what exactly goes into a lead magnet that actually works? Let me give you a preview of the 3-step method I'll be teaching inside the live training. The first is we'll identify your best-selling product, not your entire store, not the newest launch. We start with what's already working. We're going to look at your Shopify data, your Klaviyo reports, and pinpoint the exact product or collection that already drives sales. Because once we know what sells, we can reverse engineer why and build your lead magnet around that. The second thing is to align your lead magnet to that product. What's the main hesitation people have before buying it? That's what your lead magnet should solve. We'll look at your reviews, your FAQs, your DMs, anything that shows us what your customer is thinking before they buy. And then we'll match the type of freebie to the type of product. Quizzes, guides, VIP list, tutorials, whatever fits the gap your audience needs, fill. And third, we're going to create the sales path. This is where Klaviyo works its magic. Once your lead magnet is live, you'll use a simple 4-email welcome flow to nurture your new subscribers, build trust, and guide them to your product. It's not about being pushy, it's about creating clarity and consistency. And here's the best part. Once you set this up, it runs in the background while you focus on everything else you've got going on. in your business. So if you've been stuck wondering what kind of lead magnet to create, or you've tried a few things but nothing's really worked, or you just want someone to finally walk you through what to do without overwhelming tech tutorials and random advice, then this free masterclass was made for you. It's called Create a Lead Magnet That Sells in 3 Simple Steps. It's happening live and it only happens twice a year. You'll walk away with a step-by-step plan to grow your email list with the right subscribers and connect it directly to a product that already brings in sales. It's practical, it's actionable, and yes, you're going to feel so clear and confident walking out of it. You can save your seat at shecommercesimplified.com/masterclass, or just head to the show notes because I dropped the link below. And if you use Klaviyo or plan to, this is your next right step. And hey, if you're curious about what happens after the freebie is live, how to build out your full welcome flow, send weekly emails that sell without sounding salesy, and actually see Klaviyo revenue climbing every month, then I've got something extra special I'll be launching at the end of the masterclass. My course, Klaviyo Launchpad, will be the next step if you're ready to go all in. But you're going to walk away from this masterclass with more than enough practical tips and a blueprint to get you going. Your pop-up isn't broken, my friend. You just need a lead magnet that does the heavy lifting. Let's fix that together. Save your spot at shecommercesimplified.com/masterclass, and I'll see you live in a few days. Until then, my friend, keep showing up, keep testing, and keep building that business that works for you.